Hi! I see you're about to become smarter. This video will help you to improve your English language skills. So let's begin.
Absent. Absent. Absent means not present in place, at occasion, or as part of something. For example, most students were absent from school at least once. Most students were absent from school at least once. Synonyms: away, off, out. Absurd. Absurd. Absurd means wildly unreasonable or inappropriate. For example, the allegations are patently absurd. The allegations are patently absurd. Synonyms: preposterous, ridiculous, ludicrous. Accessible. Accessible. Accessible means able to be entered. For example, the town is accessible by bus. The town is accessible by bus. Synonyms: reachable, attainable, approachable. Accountable. Accountable. Accountable means required or expected to justify actions or decisions. For example, parents could be held accountable for their children's actions. Parents could be held accountable for their children's actions. Synonyms: responsible, liable, answerable. Acid. Acid. Acid means containing acid or having properties of acid. For example, poor, acid soils. Poor, acid soils. Synonyms: caustic, corroding, eroding. Acute. Acute. Acute means severe, intense. For example, an acute housing shortage. An acute housing shortage. Synonyms: severe, critical, drastic. Adjacent. Adjacent. Adjacent means next to or adjoining something else. For example, adjacent rooms. Adjacent rooms. Synonyms: adjoining, neighboring, neighboring on. Administrative. Administrative. Administrative means relating to running of business, organization, etc. For example, administrative problems. Administrative problems. Synonyms: managerial, management, directorial. Adverse. Adverse. Adverse means preventing success or development. For example, taxes are having an adverse effect on production. Taxes are having an adverse effect on production. Synonyms: unfavorable, disadvantageous, inauspicious. Agricultural. Agricultural. Agricultural means of agriculture. For example, agricultural land. Agricultural land. Synonyms: farm, farming, agrarian. Alert. Alert. Alert means vigilant. For example, an alert police officer discovered a truck full of explosives. An alert police officer discovered a truck full of explosives. Synonyms: vigilant, hypervigilant, wide awake. Anonymous. Anonymous. Anonymous means not identified by name. For example, the donors wish to remain anonymous. The donors wish to remain anonymous. Synonyms: unnamed, of unknown name, nameless. Appealing. Appealing. Appealing means attractive or interesting. For example, the rural life is somehow more appealing. The rural life is somehow more appealing. Synonyms: attractive, engaging, alluring. Applicable. Applicable. Applicable means relevant or appropriate. For example, the same considerations are equally applicable to accident claims. The same considerations are equally applicable to accident claims. Synonyms: relevant, appropriate, pertinent. Bare. Bare. Bare means not clothed. For example, he was bare from the waist up. He was bare from the waist up. Synonyms: naked, unclothed, undressed. Beloved. Beloved. Beloved means dearly loved. For example, his beloved son. His beloved son. Synonyms: darling, dear, dearest. Bizarre. Bizarre. Bizarre means very strange or unusual. For example, her bizarre dresses and outrageous hairdos. Her bizarre dresses and outrageous hairdos. Synonyms: strange, peculiar, odd. Brutal. Brutal. Brutal means savagely violent. For example, a brutal murder. A brutal murder. Synonyms: savage, cruel, bloodthirsty. Capitalist. Capitalist. Capitalist means supporting or based on principles of capitalism. For example, capitalist countries. Capitalist countries. Cautious. Cautious. Cautious means careful to avoid potential problems or dangers. For example, a cautious driver. A cautious driver. Synonyms: careful, wary, aware.
Great! Watch again, practice the sound, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.